Uber X and Bolt 8K monthly challenge. Assalamu alaikum, marhaba, welcome, salute, khush amdeed, pakhaira. Let's start the day 7 video. As usual, let's start day 7 from the expense. So my expense was for day 7 altogether 73 pounds. Guys, let me know in the comment box how was your expense for Sunday. My earning was 310 pound for day 7, Uber 225, Bolt 75, 10 pound tip. So it was total 310 pound for the day 7 Sunday. How was your earning for day 7? Let me know in the comment box. Guys, I have an incredible giveaway for you. When I reach 50k subscriber on my YouTube channel, I will be giving away 5-day all-inclusive holiday to Morocco or Dubai. So why are you waiting? Subscribe the channel and you could be the winner.